For the police to detain an individual, they have to have reasonable articulable suspicion that the suspect has committed, is committing, or is about to commit a crime. When we read case law, we are able to pick out specific articulable facts that supported reasonable suspicion. That's what we see here in this brand new unpublished opinion. This is the state of New Jersey versus KHALIEL Arrington. This is just decided December 29, 2025 and dates back to June 19, 2019. Officers in Newark, New Jersey are responding to a report of a shooting. One of the suspects that was involved fled the area wearing all black clothing with a black hoodie. He fled from the location towards Hillside Avenue. Officers saw a male about 2.5 blocks away wearing all black, matching the suspect description. It's about 10 to 20 minutes later. Officer sees him. Officer sits back. He observes him, and they see that he was walking at a fast pace, hand in his waistband, consistent with a male carrying a handgun, on a cell phone, looking back, extremely nervous whenever he observed a marked patrol unit and heard the police sirens. Officers followed the defendant, and every time that those patrol units passed by, he bladed his body away from the patrol units and walked faster. Based on his observations, he believed that the defendant may have been involved in the shooting. He alerts other officers to come. They respond. They detain him, and as they approach him, he reaches underneath his waistband area, removes a black fanny pack, tosses it to the ground, and flees. The fanny pack contained an illegal handgun as well as 2 hollow-nosed bullets. The defendant was apprehended after a short foot pursuit. The court ruled that they look at the totality of the circumstances to decide whether reasonable suspicion exists. The courts can give weight to officers' knowledge and experience as well as the rational inferences that could be drawn from the facts objectively and reasonably in light of the officer's expertise. He had a reasonable and articulable suspicion to conduct that investigatory stop of the defendant based on the totality of the circumstances in this case. The clothing matched the description provided by witnesses at the scene of the shooting. He was in temporal and geographic proximity to the shooting. He was about 2.5 blocks away from the scene. He was walking at a fast pace, hand in his waistband, on his cell phone, looking back, acting extremely nervous whenever he observed those marked police cars, and he bladed his body as those patrol units approached him. His appeal was denied. Check out our YouTube channel for a full breakdown of this case and many more. Stay safe and Happy New Year.